Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to disconnect Wi-Fi in our phone, Motorola phone. Guys, you want to disconnect your Wi-Fi network, so guys you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect Wi-Fi in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to disconnect Wi-Fi. Press network and internet, tap here, click on Wi-Fi. So which Wi-Fi network guys you have connected guys you want to forget in your Motorola phone, so you can forget. So at that side guys you can see this setting option, so I tap here and guys you can see disconnect option, so I will click on disconnect option. So Wi-Fi will disconnect in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect Wi-Fi in Motorola phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.